Trouble at Santa's Workshop by Richard Scarry. In Santa's workshop, there are hundreds of elves who work all day long making toys for Santa to bring at Christmas. Some of the elves want to work all night long too, but Santa won't let them.
You need a good night's sleep to work well next day,
he tells them, and they can't disobey Santa, even if they would like to, because he locks up all the tools at night. Then, one morning, Santa discovers that he has lost the key to his tool cupboard. Santa and Mrs. Claus look everywhere for the key, but they can't find it.
I know,
says Santa.
I'll call my good friend Lowly Worm and ask him to bring me some keys that might fit.
Lowly is happy to help, if he can. Lowly goes to the locksmith's and gets big keys and little keys, thick keys and thin keys. Then he gets into his apple copter and flies to the North Pole where Santa and his elves are waiting for him. Santa takes Lowly to the locked tool cupboard door. One of these keys will surely fit, says Lowly. He tries one. It doesn't work. He tries another and another and another. But none of the keys that Lowly has will fit the lock. This is terrible, sighs Lowly. If I can't open this lock, there will be no toys for Christmas. He puts his eye right up to the keyhole and looks inside. Then suddenly he has an idea. He takes off his shoe. Then he takes off his sock and he wiggles his bare foot around. He puts his foot in the keyhole and twists and turns his toe. Click goes the lock. Lowly Key smiles. I opened it! The elves rush to get their tools and hurry back to their workbenches. There will be toys for Christmas after all. Hurrah! May I make a toy too before I leave? Lowly asks Santa.
Please do,
says Santa.
We need all we can make.
Then Santa thanks him for all his help, and Lowly hops into his apple copter and flies safely home. Maybe one of the toys you get for Christmas will be the very one that Lowly made. A special thanks to Huck Scarry for giving us permission to read these wonderfully fun classic children's books on our channel. Nothing can top having a physical book in your child's hand. Please support the creators of these fabulous stories by purchasing your copy on Amazon or through the author's website, which is linked in the description.
Huckle